Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato and spinach korma. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Also, click on the notification button so that you will get all my latest uploads. So first thing first, we're going to use all these ingredients. So we've got a bit of spinach, onions, curry paste, cumin, coriander, coconut milk, sweet potatoes of course, chickpeas and garlic. So first thing first, we'll preheat the pan and fry the onions for about a minute or so. Once it gets a bit brown, we will add the garlic to the mix. We will cook that for another minute before adding all our spices. Once you've added the spices, I will go ahead to add the coconut milk and a cup of water, and then we will add the sweet potatoes. So what I've done is that I have peeled the sweet potatoes. Of course, you can either have it like this or keep the skin. And if you're keeping the skin on, just make sure that you have washed it thoroughly because you don't want to bite into a stone. So we will keep that covered for about 10 minutes and then we will add the peanut butter to it and then allow that to boil for 20 to 25 minutes. And just as the potato was cooked, I added the chickpeas for 10 minutes before adding the spinach to the mix, and that is it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe, share and click the notification button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!